two contrails going over my house about to overlap, which is unusual. It's heading northwest. One behind it about to cross over, as you can see. That looks to be below the other one, on a slightly different heading. There you go, X marks the spot. It's a very misty, murky day out there, but look at that, X right by my house. That is unusual. I wonder why the air traffic control has done that. Let's go to the front and get a bit more. So there they are. There's X marks the spot. That's looking kind of towards Royston area. That's the direction. How about that? So as you can see, this one here is heading kind of towards, I'd say, Huntingdon if you're looking on a map. And the other one's going more west. So how about that? X marks the spot.